In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star a dashboard in Grafana for quick access. If you work with multiple dashboards, finding your most used ones quickly can save a lot of time. Starring a dashboard in Grafana is like bookmarking it just for you. It doesn't change the dashboard for anyone else, and it doesn't affect permissions. It simply adds it to your personal favorites so you can open it faster whenever you need. First, open the dashboard you want to favorite. From the left-hand menu, click Dashboards, then choose Browse. This view lists all dashboards you have access to, often organized by folders or teams. Use the search bar if you have a lot of dashboards or if you know the name. When you see the one you want, click it to open. You don't need Edit Access for this. View Access is enough to mark it as a favorite. With the dashboard open, look toward the top right area of the page, near the dashboard title and action buttons. You'll see a star icon. Click the star. When the star turns solid, you've successfully marked it as starred. This change is immediate and tied to your user profile, so it stays with you across sessions and devices as long as you're signed in. If the star doesn't change right away, give the page a moment. Sometimes the visual update can lag for a second. And remember, starring is personal. No one else will see that you starred it. Now, let's get to those starred dashboards quickly. Go back to the left-hand menu, click Dashboards, and then select Starred. This section is your dedicated list of favorites. You should see the dashboard you just starred along with any others you've marked before. From here, you can open them with one click. If you have many favorites, you can still use the search or sort options to find what you need faster. The solid star next to a dashboard confirms its status at a glance. A quick tip: if you ever change your mind, just click the star again on the dashboard to unstar it. It will disappear from your starred list, but the dashboard itself remains unchanged for you and your team. And that's all there is to it. Starring is a small habit that makes a big difference when you're moving between dashboards throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your workflow. And that's how you star a dashboard in Grafana. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.